to Life with Zaraah. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I will be surprising my Indian husband with cooking his favorite dish, which is, they call it brinjals and we know it as eggplants. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna be throwing two birds with one stone by actually showing you guys how to make a dish with an eggplant. It's pretty popular, you know, eggplants. Not everybody know what to do with it, and we love it. We cook it like twice a month at least, and I never knew about this veggie until like we lived together and he was like brinjal and I was like, what's that? And now I know it's actually an eggplant. So yeah, if you're new here, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please subscribe and join my YouTube family and my YouTube journey. I do make random cooking vlogs, lifestyle, with my family, without, travel, friends, everything. And if you've been here since the beginning, I love you. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you everyone for your support thus far. I love you. I see the love, I see the comments, and you know I'm always replying. Okay, let me get straight to it and enjoy. So these are the vegetables that is going to be needed, and spices. It's literally just this. You don't need a lot. I'll go through each and every one of them when I use them for the food, and I'll explain the amount that will be needed to create this delicious pot of eggplant curry. So the first thing that you're going to need to add is the rye. This is called rye. You just need like 1 teaspoon of this to fry before you add your potatoes. I'll just wait on them to fry. I'll let you guys see what it looks like when it's ready. So this is the part where you'll add your potatoes. That will like take a bit long. I've added some more oil, or you can add a little bit of water and put the heat a bit lower, and then place the lid on top. This is now going to, so the potatoes will now get a chance to fry with the rye. So we're just gonna wait until it's a little bit soft, not too soft because it still needs to cook with the peas and with the eggplant. So while I do that, I just want to tell you guys something really great. So this video is sponsored by AZ fruit_fridge. So you can check them out on Instagram. They are a online store that just opened up now, vegetable store. So they sell such a lot of fresh things. This is what they sent, and I'm really happy. Like honestly guys, I'm really happy. I took some things out because I had to put it in the fridge, like the raspberries and the strawberries and the blueberries, and I'm so grateful for this package. I'm going to make sure that it goes really far, not just keeping it for myself. I plan on cooking a egg biryani and handing it out to people because I have a lot of eggs in stock, and maybe sharing some things with my neighbors or whoever needs. So I am so excited. I'll like break it in half, keep some and make a video for you guys, and others I'll give away because like it's always a blessing to share, you know. So yeah guys, please give them a follow. I mean, it is because of them that I am doing this eggplant video for you guys, you know. So give them a follow. It's always great to like support people, especially starting their own business. I mean, like, we're all here on this earth trying to do our best, and we need to support each other, you know. We're all the new generation, and that's the way we roll. So yeah guys, don't forget to follow them, and I hope you're enjoying the video so far. So this is the update, everyone. So to me, it's time to add some garlic, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and then mix it well. Yeah, it smells amazing already. So now after adding the garlic, what I've done is I've put in my mixer 1 tomato, a few pieces of mint, and 3 chilies and just like a little water, just so that it can become into a liquid. I love doing this. I just feel like it just does something, like having this as the foundation. You can chop it up and just like do it the normal way and add it, but this just does something else. Mixing it all together or making a paste with the tomato, dhania, raw garlic, ginger, just like it just does something. I don't know, it's just magic. So now I'm gonna show you how to cut a eggplant, just in case you're like a beginner and it's your first time. So I'm gonna show you how exactly to cut them. This looks amazing. This is the time for the eggplants to be added. You can always use 1 eggplant or 2. It depends on like the amount of people that you plan on serving. So yeah, and you can chop it as tiny as you like. I haven't had this in a while, so I would like it in big chunky pieces. I would really like to enjoy this eggplant. And then this you don't actually have to add, it's just like something that I like doing just to make it more filling. Or green peas. Ooh, it will taste like a vegetable pot, honestly, when it's all cooked together. I cannot wait. I'm starving. And I love cooking when I starve because it's like everything just comes out better. Because I'm starving, like I think of adding this and adding that, but yeah. So I have added the spices. I know some people like to make the gravy first and then add everything. Well, when it comes to vegetable food, I add it together so that it can all cook together and it doesn't actually taste raw. The spices don't taste raw, it cooks really well. I've added 5 tablespoons of jeera hot curry powder. I've added some salt and pepper and a pinch of turmeric. So now I'm going to add some water before I mix it. Seems like a lot, but it's going to like cook liquor. So now I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit and then put the lid on top and let this all cook well together. Mabi finally came. Say hi to everyone.
Hello.
So he's gonna have his first bite now.
Very nice.
Is it really? Don't just say it because I'm your wife. So guys, you can have this with some rice, roti or naan, but we prefer naan. You're really enjoying it, no? We didn't have eggplant. I found out the word is eggplant and not brinjal or brinjals. Yeah.
Ringra.
So what must they do for more videos?
Comment, like and subscribe.
Hey!
And share.
And share. Don't forget that, guys. Have a great evening.